Hi, welcome back to the vlog. So I've come down this week to the waterfalls in Ogwen Valley. So I've seen these on Jason Jones's vlog. Always wanted to come here since he did that last year, but I've just not had the time to. I always shoot the falls above these, where the bridge is. There's some nice falls there, and I've never really come down this section before, but it is awesome. It looks really, really good. So I've got this composition set up now where the water's coming down from left to right. That's not a jet, but it's still cool. That jet just scared us, sorry about that. So yeah, the composition's coming down left to right, and then it zigzags down. There's a little bridge in the middle that someone's made out of stone, and then we've got it coming sweeping through the bottom here. So I've got that shot that I'll take now, and then I'm going to move around and probably get one or two different compositions here before we go up to my favourite spot near the bridge. So I'll crack on with this. If it turns out well, then I'll put the shot up now for you. So just a little tip as well, because I would never have thought of this if I didn't look behind me. Whenever I'm out, I always, whenever I'm looking at something amazing, I always turn around and look the opposite way, because you do miss things. So there's this little old tree here. It's just a little gnarly old dead tree, but it's cool. And then you've got the valley in the background. There are some power lines that I'm going to have to Photoshop out, but I've got this tree framed with the valley either side of it, and then all the rocks in the foreground. So I took it handheld, just for pure laziness. So I took it handheld. It's got a polarizer and a 3-stop on, and this is the resultant image. So I've come down to this central view of the falls. I'm cutting off the top of the falls because the sky's all blowing out, and I've got the falls coming down, and I've got this gorgeous clean water with all these lovely coloured rocks in the foreground. So I've got this stone in the foreground with holes in it, like an orange rock. It just looks incredible. So I'm going to take a couple of images of this now using a polarizer so that I can see all these rocks under the water, reduce all the reflection and the glare, and I've got a 3-stop filter on to slow this falls down. So that's the view we're looking at from behind the camera. That's that little rock I was on about, and then it takes you up to the falls. So this is looking incredible on the screen. So I will take this shot, and then we're going to move further down the falls for one last shot here. Right, so we've made our way down to these lower parts of the falls. There is some more, it keeps going down that way, but that's for another day. There's loads, there's like a whole day's worth to check out, and I just haven't got the time, so we're going to take a pano of this. I've got a 3-shot pano of this. I did a vertical one, and now I'm doing a 2-shot landscape pano. So everything's leveled up. I'm going to take these shots and I'll put the results on the screen for you. I'm at f9 if you're interested, 1.3 seconds and ISO 64 on the Nikon 810. So I'll put them on now for you. Right, I'm really sorry about the noise levels, but I'm right next to the waterfalls. So I've come up a little bit from where we did the pano. I'm going to lose the tripod here. I'm looking at these little, I've like zoomed in to 35mm on these little falls. I've got like an S shape going on. There's a rock, a big boulder on the right top of frame, and there's a boulder on the left bottom of frame, so it gives it symmetry, and then the water's just following it through. It just looks so cool. So I'm just trying to capture that on different exposures, and then I'm going to play with them in Lightroom and just blend some together, but they're looking incredible. So I'll just show you what I'm looking at. So I'll just lighten that up for you. That's the composition basically. So we've got where are we? Can't even see it. We've got the boulder here, this boulder here, and then the water just snakes through. Yeah, it's looking really nice. Okay everyone, well thanks for watching. I'm done here now. We've done a lot of images, but as I said before, there's loads to explore here. There's probably another half a day's worth to do here, so I'll come back on a nicer day and just spend the entire day here, and probably try and get like sunset colours in the sky as well. So with that, thanks very much. If you like the vlog, again, just give it a little bell. And subscribe if you haven't already. There's plenty more content like this and plenty more to come as well. So really appreciate it. And if you want to go to carlphoto365.com, that's my website, and there's various prints on there that you can buy, and a little bit about me there as well. So thanks very much, really appreciate it, and I'll see you next week. Jade said I touched my face too much. Like nerves, so I need to keep my hands in my pockets. Okay everyone, well thanks for watching.